Good morning, family. Sending love and light to you this beautiful Sunday morning. I'm on my drive in to church, to the church building. I'm so excited about the day. Listen, I'm really mind blown just to see how my life is transforming. And you can really tell that your life is transforming, that God is doing a special work in your life when the attacks begin to come. And right after this attack is another attack and another attack. So just different things have been happening. I've been taking them all in stride. Yesterday, I really had a little bit of a meltdown where I just wept. Like, I just needed to get it all out. It's overwhelming. Like, I'm giving all of the good energy that I have out into the world. I have so much love that I give out. And why things happen, like someone keyed my Mercedes. Like, who does that? I don't even know anyone over here. So it just had, anyway, like, just not giving it any energy. But like, God is blessing me in so many ways. There's some things, oh my gosh, there's some things I want to announce to you guys so badly, but I can't say anything until it's completed, until it's finalized. But I just want to say this. When you're in the storm, or when it feels like you're in a storm, know that it isn't always a storm. It's training. Oh, that's what it is. It is training you for what is to come. Because when God blesses you, and he's always blessing us, but when he elevates us, as he elevates us, those arrows, those darts, they just keep coming back to back to back to back. You don't even have, there's not even a reason or a rhyme to it. I've heard some people call it haters. But sweetheart, you are in the right place. We are in the right place. And for people that treat you unkindly and they know nothing of you, they know nothing of your story, they know nothing of your struggle. When you hit, these epic points of success, and then they want to try to come and befriend you, love everyone, because that's what God asks us to do. But sweetheart, keep them at a respectful, protectful type of distance. Take care of yourself, love on others, keep smiling, keep glowing, keep doing everything that you're supposed to be doing, everything that's in your heart, because you're a beautiful person. Don't let the negativity, don't let the challenges get you down. Keep being who you are, baby, because it's just chiseling you into something even more amazing. And guess what? You are amazing. Chef's kiss. Love you. Talk to you soon.